assistant.
Welcome back to Traveling Novice. If you're new here, this is a part 2 to a video last week that we did. So go ahead and go to part 1 if you want to see how we got here. If not, we're a 30-year-old couple still working on a little truck mod before we hit the road.
Yeah, gotta make some little changes here and there, but let's get to it.
So what are we doing, boss?
Well, definitely not the next day, but we did make it to the store. But what we're going to do today, is cut out another notch, just because I'm not going to be the only one driving. So let's go ahead and get to it.
I don't know why I have to drive, but
all right, let's get to it. Sanded. Let's go ahead and get the paint. So I'm going to bring out the Flex Seal and let's see how it goes. Wish me luck. I'm hoping that the Flex Seal actually penetrates the wood and makes it a much smoother surface that way. Last thing I want is splinters, especially in my dog. So let's try it out and see how it goes. And in case you're wondering where Taylor is, she's actually inside right now working on something quite good. It's actually the first time we've ever done something like this, and it's going to be looking forward to it. If you want to know what it is, stay tuned for the next video, and you'll see exactly what it is. I'm so excited for it. But let's get back to painting. Rest in the future here. This took way longer than expected. Probably because it's so cold here in Ohio, but yeah, she's good. She's still a little tacky, but let's go and flip her over and get the other side done. Now it's time for the secret weapon. We'll get her dry now. Don't forget your little micro adjustments. Borderline rocket science, but hey, we got it done and it's blowing. So hey, I'll see you guys when it's all done. Fingers crossed. Building rockets out here. It definitely hasn't been a couple days. But we're getting a dog bed and some other stuff for the truck. So.
Back to the store for this Weedle project. Let's go.
Right here on the left.
We might need a card.
Yeah, it's fine. Here.
Should we get popcorn? Hi guys. So we picked up some of this. It's like for piping, I think, but we're gonna put it on the edge to protect the seat. It's like a pool noodle, but not. And then we're gonna find a bed for her. But of course I like that one. Do we like this?
I don't know. Basil, do we like it?
Here, you want to try it out? Here, looky. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You like it? I think it'll work.
I think it's a little too small.
Too small?
I think so. Here, Basil, get back on here.
Lay down. Down. It's perfect. Should we go to Petco? Should we go to Petco? Look at it better. Well, they probably have more options.
Dog bed find take 2. Let's go.
I think we finally found it at Walmart. It's, I feel like it'll be easy to clean. You know, she'll be like, yeah, it's nice. You know, so, one for us.
On to the next thing. It don't look too good out there, huh? She looks wet, but she's good. This stuff actually turned out pretty good. I mean, yeah, I wish the finish was a little better, but hey, this thing's gonna work great, just fine. All right, so what we're gonna do from here is take these pipe insulators and gonna cut them up, put them along the edge of our board, and hopefully not scrape up the interior of our truck. So let's keep cutting.
I'm gonna move the seat up so it's a little easier to put in. Bring up my lean a little bit. Go. Oh, heck yeah. Slap the bed on her, collar.
Now she'll be...
Feels so crazy. It's like rubber.
It is.
It's legit rubber.
Who knew Flex Seal was liquid rubber?
Like it looks... It's not
it
bad.
It looks wet in spots.
It does.
But it's dry.
Yeah. And it's like grippy.
Yeah.
All right. Next up. Oh, wait. I'm putting it back. Perfect. That's why we got these right there. Perfect. You can still access the pockets. So we do recognize the bed
We're going to get a different bed.
is a little big.
But we needed a new bed for her outside anyway. But, I mean...
I think it'll work for now.
Yeah.
We gotta go see how she likes it.
Yeah.
Okie dokie. And I can now put my blanket in my storage area. All right. Blanket there. We can also put our first aid kit here. And then we still have all this space here. Plenty of space. I don't know if we're going to use this part, but... Hi! Oh, no, going on Daddy's side. Go on the other side. Okay, let's see if she can do it. Oh, easy peasy. Yeah. You want to go for a ride? She said, heck yeah, mama. Wants to go for a ride. Oh, well, are you driving? She is literally just jumped in the truck
Look at how happy she is. Look,
And
she's
is
at eye level.
already.
She's at eye level. She's all happy. Yeah, oh yeah.
She is normally she's bouncing back and forth like.
Yeah, she's
I don't know why, but she gets so much calmer if you give her just like a nice bed and an opportunity to like be somewhat close to y'all.
Yeah, look at her. She's like,
let's go for a ride.
question for the people in the comments. Dogs or cats? Which one's better?
This is a dog family.
Let's start this war right now.
Let's not.
Well, it's very much a success.
Very. Maybe a smaller bed. We'll keep an eye out. But for now, this is durable, easy to clean, and Basil's enjoying it.
Yeah, we found our outdoor bed, so.
Dang, Daddy.
Everything's fine. Bye.
Thank you so much for tuning in this week. Next week, be there, be square, because it's going to be better.
It's gonna be a little different of a video, but it's still good all the same. Just like that, we're all set up and ready for the next project. So, like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. But just want you guys to know we're here to spread the joy and have a little fun while we're doing all this stuff. And we'll see you next time. Take care, guys.